Let's see in today's video how to create a YouTube channel that can earn money. Go to youtube.com and select the account you want to create YouTube. Then click Create a Channel. Now type the YouTube channel name and handle and click Create Channel. Now some important settings should be set up. Click Customize Channel here. Now click Branding. You can add the channel logo from here. You can see how to set up the YouTube logo here. The banner image can be added below. And the video watermark should be added. You can add only your channel logo to this. Now click Basic Info. With this you can change your channel logo and handle. The same channel description should be added. Other social media related to your channel can be linked here. Also add below the email where you can be contacted. The second video will be brought soon. Subscribe to the channel and join now. Good luck.